Today I will build the portable power tool battery. If you have a portable grinder or any other portable, so these kind of batteries very fast to drain. So if you read here 188V, it doesn't mean voltage. This is on the 18 volt nominal and 21 volt fully charged battery. So if because that batteries come with the very low quality cells, so they are very fast to drain. If you are working professionally or you bring it outdoor in your some project, so your that battery not gonna help you. It will very disturb you because of faster drain. So for portable power tools or portable power blowers, you can build your own battery pack. We'll use this DIY case, which is 5S2P, 10 cells totally. This kit have complete everything. This kit come with nickel strip, positive negative pole, and series and parallel connection for the BMS 2 screw and for the body screw, and spring for press lock. And here is the holders. You can see this one. This is 5S and 2P, 5S and 2P. So it will be like that, and the BMS will be fit on the top. Here is the box, very good box. So this one have a this tabs. If you notice that 2 tabs, that is for the power indicator button, the press button, which you can just put insert like that inside, and then you have that the press key, easy to insert, and then the sticker. So it will be look perfect and good, and it's helpful to see the battery power. But nowadays also the power tools come with the battery indicators. The holder is very easy and perfectly fit inside. So the press key, the holder is in the back side, and here is the BMS, which is 3 MOSFET rated for 50 amp. This one is good, using the 3 MOSFET BMS for portable grinder. For portable grinder, 3 MOSFET BMS minimum needed. For the portable blower, you can use the 2 MOSFET, no problem. You can build also the bigger one like that, which come with the 5S and 4P. Here you can see this one is very big. Same kit complete with the nickel strip, positive negative pole, spring, BMS screws, body screws, and the battery indicator with the cell holders. 18650 cells will be inside, and this is also very good to build, but this become very expensive. I will use 10 Sony VTC5 18650 lithium ion cells. They are fully charged. I put them in the 18650 holder, so this will be perfectly balanced to build the battery pack, and it will work very well. Battery pack is complete. It's really look nice and beautiful pack. The cell I use Sony VTC5, that is 5S and 2P, 4.367 amp hour is the capacity. 78 watt hour is total in watt hour capacity. All ports are look nice, good, perfect. And here is the battery indicator. Just press, hold, you can see. So perfect, this one. And we can use it for our high power application, like especially the grinding tools. They consume too much battery pack. Okay. Yes, good. So here we have a speed 1, speed 2, speed 3. This is our battery indicator is shown here, and here is I have to charge again. I can use confidently, it's outside, so the battery is strong. It will not easy to low bat if I'm constant power up. That is good, perfect.